alleys of Macau, alley of Beco da Erva. Just walking round Macau, walking down Beco da Erva. Walking down Beco da Erva, walking round Beco da Erva. Beco da Erva, walking alleys in Macau.
Okay, there's a little sign that says Beco da Erva, and that is just this little tiny little alley right in here. So we're gonna go and explore it, and then I think this is called Erva Street. So we'll kind of show you a little bit of Erva Street, and then Beco will be the focus of this particular street. So we'll kind of show you a little bit around here a little bit, but then our focus will be the Beco. So stay tuned for that. Let's put it up on the map for you. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so this is this tiny little Beco da Erva. So there's always these little tiny cool stuff in the alleys, and they'll attach themselves sometimes to like the main street. I think it's called Rua da Erva probably, and then you have these little Becos. Oh, here we go. There's Beco da Erva right there, so that's a nice clear sign you can see. And then I think it's gonna probably end right there. So it actually ends right there. You can see just kind of a big mix of different apartments and stuff like that. Wow, okay. There must be some history right here with this too. It's actually what I try to do is I try to record this because this looks like it has some historical value to it. Even that little thing right there, you know, and that could be torn down in the future. But now this is a little bit of an alley, and I guess like this particular business probably dominates this wall, and they can put up some of their goods in this alley. And I guess it's one of the benefits of this alley. People can also park here. And we're on Beco da Erva. And we got all this stuff kind of hanging as well. So I'm gonna walk past it, just kind of go down a little bit, just to kind of give you some context of all that's around in this area. Let me just kind of see if there's anything else that's interesting. A little kiosk. So I'm just gonna go down just a tiny little bit. Oh, okay. Sometimes there's all these little alleys everywhere, so you just don't really know what you might come across sometimes. So we're gonna try to sneak across. You also have all these kind of interesting alleys and businesses. This goes all the way through, and there's all kinds of cool little stuff everywhere. So anyways, that's where our little Beco is at. I think this is Erva. I'm gonna just should I go in? Let me just stick to this one. I might come back around the other way. So yeah, this little area, we're not too far from Chungwu Hospital. We're not too far from Sao Paulo Ruins. And then you have that tiny little Beco right there. And I believe that our Beco is between, right? So it kind of gives you an idea of the density. And this street right here is called a Hua. That means the street. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go around the corner. There's a beautiful temple. And I'm gonna include these different things into the Beco. Just kind of give you some context to some of the other stuff around here. Okay. So that's our Becos right over there. You also have some nice, interesting restaurants. And I'm gonna go around the corner to this beautiful temple. It's right on the other side here. So we're kind of meandering around. You can see all kinds of interesting businesses and such down here. We just kind of walk. So yeah, you can even get so you can get some beer, some food, and maybe at nighttime they might have it opened up a little bit. So kind of give you a little bit of context of all the different stuff around here. And then over on this side we also have this temple. And we're gonna just kind of go around the corner a little bit. And these are all lit up so you can see. They'll go all the way up to the top and then they'll be replaced. Okay, so all of that is just around the corner from our little Beco. So it's kind of a way to kind of get the context for the different stuff that's around here. You can see little community stuff, lots of other little alleys, coolers. There's a nice little shop right here. That orange shop that looks pretty cool too. Upturned baked delights. It's relatively new. I don't remember seeing that before. Way over there is Grand Lisboa Casino in the distance. I could go around like that, but I'm gonna just stick to these little alleys because the alleys are so beautiful and so cool. And we're gonna go back to our Target Street. And the idea is kind of give you some context to different stuff that's around here. More cool stuff going that way, of course. Okay, so we're just gonna go back down to our little Beco. So yeah, so basically on the channel I try to focus on a certain street and then give you some context of what's around it, and then in an effort doing this we kind of get to know Macau better for viewers and people that also love to see Macau. And our little Beco is right next to this store. There's the store right there. And there's the Beco. So we'll just walk into this Beco real quick. There we go. So yeah, Beco da Erva. We'll just come right back to the sign. So there you go. A little slice of Macau. In a little corner of the city here.